Hello there. Welcome to part 2 of this special video series, where we'll dive into one of the most exciting, simple, and effective ways to lose weight and feel amazing. It's called the Smoothie Diet 21-Day Program, and it's changing lives, one smoothie at a time. As we continue on with your journey for a healthier new life, watch the rest of this video. The best part? It's incredibly convenient. You won't have to spend hours in the kitchen, and there's no complicated meal prep. It's perfect for anyone with a busy schedule. And yes, that includes you. Whether you're a parent working from home or even enjoying a well-deserved retirement, this program is designed to fit into your life. And let's not forget, you're not just going to lose weight. With the smoothie diet, people report feeling more energetic, getting better sleep, and even having glowing skin, all from simply fueling your body with the nutrients it's been missing. Now I know what you're thinking. What about grocery shopping? Is this going to be complicated? Not at all. With the smoothie diet, we provide you with simple, clear shopping lists. You'll cut out the junk, those processed foods that slow you down, and replace them with fresh, whole ingredients that are easy to find at any store. It's as simple as it sounds. You'll love how light and easy your cart becomes. And the best part? These smoothies are delicious. We've got recipes that taste so good, you'll actually look forward to drinking them every day. Whether you want to lose 10 pounds or 70, the smoothie diet will help you achieve your goals. And it's a plan you can stick with for the long haul. So, are you ready to feel more energized, lose weight, and nourish your body with everything it needs? Over the next few videos, I'll walk you through exactly how to get started, tips to make it even easier, and real success stories from people just like you. This is about more than just losing weight. It's about transforming your health, simply, deliciously, and sustainably. So, let's get started on this journey together. Click the link below to learn more and join the thousands of people who have already changed their lives with the smoothie diet. Your healthier, more energized self is just 21 days away. Let's begin. And as always, if you received any value from this information, please like, subscribe, and share. This will help me get this information out to share with others. Click the link in the bio for more.